Alright, so next one is produced by my boy Militant Marksman. He's not here today. You can find him at the beer store most days of the week. But he just got out of the hospital, and he's the guy that got me started rapping. So this whole show is dedicated to that man, yo. And this next beat is made by him on my next EP. Yo, where's my daughter at? My daughter here? She's in the back? She practiced this whole set with me. This is her favorite chorus. Morning with my radio on, and the sound of music is in my head. Wake up in the morning feeling fresh as hell. I get this Albert and now I'm feeling extra well. Forget the stereo, cause this music is in my head. Chill, you know me, yo, my name's C-Nature and I bring that hardcore music that you can't help up in your car door. The lyrics, the rhythm, the bars and the chords. Carnivore, mastering the art of war. You can look at me and we can see if you can find a flaw. My mind is gone cause crazy stuff is. But it helps me come up with these clever words and phrases. The style I bring, though you never could replace it. Illegible, every song I make it. When I wake up in the morning with my radio on, and the sound of music is in my head. When I wake up in the morning and my radio on, and the sound of music is in my head. Let me get back to it. All these other people wanna rap music. I told them on the microphone, you best not do it, cause ways you get ruined. Yeah, my flow is hot, but still they tell me no it's not. But every time I flow I steal the show, I know they hope I stop. I'm poking spots, still mad knowledges. It's all politics, from the peasants to the congresses. My mama says I shouldn't be obsessed with broken promises. Accomplishments are the only thing that. So bring it back 50 times when I sing a track. Screw all these broken promises, you can cling to that. The thing is that now all these lyrics. Yeah, one more time. When I wake up in the morning with my radio on, and the sound of music is in my head. When I wake up in the morning with my radio on, and the sound of music. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. When I flow, these 7 letters tend to glow. CNA to you are in, they put me on a pedestal. And if they don't, I put myself cause better flows. And you know this, you know how dope my flow is. Lightning bolts can't compete with my voltage. Lightning souls turn to melody. So tell your peeps, tell the freaks that I never cease. Melodies coming out my mouth like hella trees. I never leave cause the end zone is. And I've been rolling, you've been headed for the bench warming. I'm informing all these people I got my pen swarming. I've been warming all these people that I'm coming for the crown right now. Yo. Alright man, this one's for my day one peoples out here. I grew up in this town, I love Applefest. What's up Warren? What's up? What's up? Okay. Wow. Check it. Rock the beat so you can feel. If you felt some pain today, at least so you can heal. At my show you know I'm there for you. I care for you, though a couple of my words have been there for you. Damn, or you come to get slain. I'll leave your plans for your hands soil, digging through dirt, proving I am loyal. But I don't need to prove nothing. I just block out all other people, they know we say I don't do nothing. Who's bluffing? Your guts is looking like loose stuffing, bruised up and looking around like did you just lose something? I think you lost your mind. I'm falling off my grind, paying for all of my past mistakes, never cost a dime. But I try to stay sharp like a razor blade, stay away from sharks till I fade away. But I always meet them head on, it's inevitable. I get the head and first to get to the boat. I'm trying to take it back where I came from. Like to make a track with my day ones. Living in my basement. Yeah, son is whack, but it ain't one. Cold rapper today, yo, I'm on my way, son. Trying to take it back where I came from. Like to make it stack with my day ones. Living in my basement. Yeah, son is whack, but it ain't one.
Would I be able to get one more cigarette? I fucking.
And I can see it every everybody's eyes and things are a little different. I know everybody dies, but I take it in. I never wonder if I'm gonna break again. I break it down for you and then I make it blend. Damn, know these people trying to paint a picture of me. I was lying on the ground, they trying to take a piss above me. I'm trying to understand what about this place that isn't ugly till I see my daughter's face and I turn it to silly putty. I'm trying to take it back where I came from. People try to call me out my name, then they play dumb. I hope you have an umbrella when the rain comes. I can be one tough fella, I don't wave run. Trying to take it back where I came from. People try to hold me back, that's when the rage comes. Homie, I would never act like that when I say something. I'ma walk right up to your face like this, say something.
Anything you say to that? Answer me when I talk.
Answer me.
Do it, Steve.